Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kate. I upload 3 times a week, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss any of my uploads. Now let's jump right into the video. I'm very excited for today's video because today I am going to start a series that my best friend requested 3 weeks ago. This is her comment. So shout out to you, Shannon, for this idea. I don't know if other YouTubers already did this, but what I'm going to do is that I am going to do wearable makeup looks for each of the Zodiac signs using their power colors. Since it's Gemini season and Shannon, the one who requested this series, is a Gemini, I'm going to start with a Gemini makeup look. Now let's start doing some makeup. I already prepped my skin. It's already moisturized and ready for makeup. I already did my brows off camera. So I'm going to start with priming my lids using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. Full Wear Concealer. So now that my eyes are primed, I'm going to use the shade Certified from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette and put that all over my lid. Gemini is ruled by Mercury. It is associated with the cheerful shades of yellow. That's why I'm going to do a beautiful yellow eyeshadow look for today's video. So I'm going to take this shade No Joke and focus that on my outer V and bring it a little bit onto my crease. Since I'm not getting the intensity that I want with the brush, I'm going to take the No Joke shade using my finger instead and put this on my outer V. Once I get the intensity that I like, I'm going to take this shade, this is called Thalia, using my fingers and put this on the center of my lid. And then again with the shade Certified, I'm going to fill in the rest of my lid, like the inner part. And then with the brush and a little bit of No Joke, I'm going to blend that all out. After that, I'm going to put on some eyeliner. This is the Uzu Eye Opening Eyeliner. After that, I'm going to put on my Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry so I can put on my Glamnetic Luxe Lash. Now that it's dry, I'm now going to put on the lashes. Now that my lashes are on, I'm now gonna put on foundation. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Now that our foundation is all blended out, I'm going to put on concealer underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin, and on my forehead. And then I'm going to set that with my Patrick Star Setting Powder from MAC. After that, I'm going to go in with the shade No Joke again and put this under my lower lash line. And then a little bit of the shade G Monkey. Put this under my lower lash line as well, but on the outer part. After that, I'm going in again with Thalia and put that on my inner corner. And using my Monsieur Big Lancome mascara, I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Now that the eyes are done, I'm now going to proceed with bronzer. I'm going to use the Becca Sunlit Bronzer. This is in the shade Capri Coast. After that, I'm going to put on some blush using my Jouer Rose Gold Blush Duo. After that, I'm going to put on some highlighter using my Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. And I'm going to use this shade. And then using my Guerlain Meteorites, I'm going to buff this all over my face. I'm now going to line my lips using the Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Bare Rose. And last, using my Picsart Moisture Boost Lip Shine, I'm going to put this on my lips. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you all Gemini girls like what I did for you all. It looks very fresh and summery. So thank you, Shannon, again for this idea. This is for you. And next, I'm going to be doing a Cancer makeup look. And I'm thinking of like a gray silver glam look for Cancer. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you don't miss that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget again to hit that like and subscribe button. Comment down below what is your zodiac sign and your favorite color. Stay safe, you guys. Bye!